Alright, working on my Tomcat Sport walk-behind scrubber here. This thing's brand new. Anyway, the great thing about these machines, these are built by the RPS Corporation in Racine, Wisconsin. Anyhow, the Tomcat line, the really great thing about them is they're engineered so the entire tank assembly lifts up like the hood of a car, so you can get access to all the main service components and parts of the machine. So like here, you got direct access to the scrub motor, the down pressure actuator, the pump for your solution flow, your batteries, and underneath the hood here, you have some electronics and stuff. And up in there is your hose. Anyhow, today I am going to make these batteries so they're even more easy to service by adding the Trojan hydrolink system. So I'm going to remove the cells of the battery caps, or the battery cell caps, and I'm going to replace those with these caps here. And they're all joined together by some tubing, and I will be able to add water to the batteries when I need to by just hooking a quick connect hose to here and this hand pump. You just feed this hose down into a bottle of distilled water, squeeze the pump, and that puts the water into your batteries without removing the cell caps. So it makes it a very safe process. I highly recommend it. If your scrubber can fit Trojan batteries, I believe you need the 150 amp hour batteries and up for them to be compatible with the Trojan hydrolink kit. So anyhow, something to check out. These batteries here are T1275 12 volts. So again, 150 amp hour battery, compatible with Trojan hydrolink system. All right, let's get to work.